You're not crazy. You're picking up on instability, and that's real. Today, jobs are not loyal like they used to be, but you're not hopeless. Let's make a plan today. That way, if something happens to your mainstream of income, you have a fallback plan. Step 1, your bare minimum peace budget. Last week, I talked about emergency income. And in that video, we talked about your bare minimum budget. You know, that number that has to come in every month for you to keep your household running comfortably. And if you don't have that number, look in the pinned comments for a link to that video so that you can figure out your bare minimum budget today. Essentially, your bare minimum budget is going to give you your baseline. It's going to give you your raw numbers and show you exactly where we can peel back. Step 2, reducing the pressure. You currently have subscriptions. I need you to evaluate those immediately. If any of those subscriptions you do not use on a regular basis, and when I say regular, I don't mean once a month, 2 to 3 times a week. It's time to get rid of them. This is one of the places most people don't realize how many subscriptions they actually have signed up for, and a place where your money is leaking out of. When you do your evaluation, you're going to be surprised at exactly how much you're kicking out monthly to subscriptions like DoorDash, Uber Eats, various TV apps, and delivery services. Trim your subscription catalog down. For me, some of my non-negotiable subscriptions are my Walmart Plus, Disney, Netflix, Sam's Club, and Costco. Step 3 is building backup income. I absolutely love to stack my incomes. And if you're currently not stacking any incomes, let's change that today. 25 taught us anything. It taught us that no job is guaranteed. Gone are the days where you find a good job and stay there till you retire. Now you need to have something that you're passionate about and can profit from. In my last video, I talked to you about 7 different income streams that you can start from home. And if you watch that video, you notice how I stacked my incomes when it comes to UGC, affiliate marketing, digital products, content creation, and notary services, bringing me to a total of 5 streams outside of my current career. You see, once you identify your passion, I can teach you how to stack your income streams so that you can get the biggest bang out of your efforts. So hell yeah, I recommend that you identify a passion and start income stacking today. Either pick one from my 7 streams of income video or one of the 5 that I teach, and let's get started today. Number 4, detach your identity from your job title. You are so much more than your title. And I truly believe that it's something as women we struggle with over and over again. Be it the title of mother, wife, CEO, nurse, doctor, or whatever. We tend to put that hat on so often. It's what we become known for. But remember, you're more than just your title. You are whatever you want to be remembered as, not for someone else to tell your story for you. In step 5, develop a daily stability routine. This is something that I struggle with a lot. What was a sustainable amount of time that I can work on my streams of income daily and still take on my responsibilities of running my household? And that was the very reason I created Jess Income Garden. It's my personalized AI assistant that I use every day. Not only did she help me narrow down my income streams, also helped me with time management even when I only had 2 hours a day, allowing me to juggle my work-life balance and still be successful. And if you would like to try her out for yourself, I will put a link to her in the comment below as a resource that has helped me get to where I am today. So if your current job feels shaky, do these 5 steps today. Because panic won't pay your bills, but being prepared. And don't forget to check my pinned comment for resources. And do all the things on this video for me. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so that we can hold each other accountable. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Love you.